Hello everybody, today we are in New York and I was not supposed to go outside because there is a massive snowstorm outside. The airport I think is closed, some flights got cancelled and I was not supposed to go make a video today. But I gave it a second thought and I never recorded in these tough conditions. This is going to be a challenge for me because I don't know if the camera can handle it. If the lens is going to get wet, I have to wipe out the lens and I don't know how is it gonna go, but there's one thing I do believe is when there is a will, there is a way. And that quote took me to a lot of places. I was cold, freezing, it was raining, I had no time, and every time I thought about that quote, I made a good video. So this week I'm not gonna fail to you and we're going to record something outside. Let's go, guys. Ooh, I haven't seen so much snow in New York. I've been here a lot of times, but it's the first time, guys, that I actually see a lot of snow. Whew, it's just beautiful. Quite enjoying this, guys. It's not like the usual way I usually shoot. Usually there's a lot of sun, a lot of light. Bro, this is very challenging and that is the interesting part. Woo, it's snowing a lot, guys. Snowing quite bad, guys. I've been out of the hotel for about an hour and a half and I already drained completely 3 batteries. When it's cold weather, the batteries in the cameras, they last very little. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next trip. See ya. Forgot to bring my boots, so my sneakers are completely wet. My hands are freezing, but the hotel is just there.